The images you're seeing right now are from ALPHV's leak site. The same people who hit MGM. This is for McLaren Healthcare here in Michigan. My company's in Michigan. I live in Michigan. I have family who have went to this health system, and yeah, this is reality. 2.5 million people are going to get their data leaked. The images I don't show are of people's personal health information already showing up on the leak site just to prove it. They have internal critical assets that are posted that, you know, documents that shouldn't be released to the public, contact sheets, pictures from their EMR. The interesting one is they have their key pass, which is a password manager, completely unlocked, showing everything. This is an epidemic in our country. Healthcare organizations getting hit because healthcare information is so important, especially for patients. The ailments that we have is important to keep private. And then you have things like this that happen. HCA had a breach earlier in the year, and it was like 11 million patients got their information released. And their investors were like, look, there's no material impact to the business. Really? 11 million people lost their health information, but there's no material impact to your business. And I think that's the problem with how these things go down. There's no real fine that's going to take care of this. Until you take this more seriously and you hold more people accountable, and you can read between the lines of what accountability should be, whether it should be financial, maybe we should just strip boards of their members, maybe it's going to organizations and hold their CEOs and the people that are making these decisions for lack of security, maybe hold them accountable. I know it's not a popular thing in InfoSec, but we have to do something. And we all should live in the reality that something like this is going to happen. There's nothing that's impenetrable. Nothing. It's going to happen. Something's going to get hit. But the level of detail that they got access to with no response, and there's no telling how long they were dwelling inside this organization, inside of McLaren, to gather this much info and to display it just shows just a lack of people caring. So, I don't know. We got to do something as a society. The government has to step up here. We have to hold more people accountable. It's sickening that we have to do lawsuits to get this back. But like, look, once your information's out there, it's out there. So if you don't want people knowing that you have some level of a disease, sorry, if we're not forcing healthcare to be better than where they are today, your information is probably going to get leaked at some point. And that's not fair to any of us. So if you think about this in your business, do you have data that you need to protect? Do you have customer information you need to protect? What would happen if it gets leaked? It's probably not as serious as something like health information, but take this stuff seriously. Have a good program. Work with professionals. Comment down below what you think about this. And until next time, stay cyber safe.